me mamunya na achi ama mwakwa aba ediba XTV ya no panonsia kase so kase boy efri krampo ne mante mu dia eye poko ase Festus Adom Plaza building mo ene ye share na sa obehu yen e wa ba futinta kase no so a Facebook eye XTV GH ena YouTube eye XTV Ghana ena eye oforiso bosom ne da to sunum e wa frempimie ne aduonumienu no emo ensem ahodo amede bro e na no pay e doso yi ankasa ne dimo akotin bia wo beti ene se mahwebedwani a wogire mo de ma de hye omo woni go pram abatom pesos Sam George wo de atodwa se Ghana mampani na adedan kwakofo ado wentimi ankyere eye akwantin pon 10,000 ni echira wose wono waye refreshan makomakonum no dia ende hu behia se wo beja ne debredi ato se wo mampani ebunkiremo obete e wokase eso na kase boyie mo osofo pon ba akonso wo de futuo e de amamanyofo ene akandifo nyinara ese wo mo jai se wo mo hwe se wo bi ene di ade anse na me ba be di ade ntino de wo se adwenkyere wo se wo kyere no boa wo se wo boa no wo mmoa no ne nyina ne se wo pese ade no enjiegu ne yanka se wo no ene wa manage egu wo se wo mo jai sa subane ne emboa ye se wo man emu kyeremo obete e wakase eso nsem bi kan we hu ena meje bro se anopa no nsia kase abrame oba pa me visa kwesi atabede kase ebrewo ma metwa me hu mara mfa kase boi emu kyeremo ankasa emfamo Mema wache sanso ama wakwa ababio mediba XTV anopa no nsia kase so na ye nyina ye wo man mo beye na wotwe pepepe nie ena Ghana mampani na adodan kwakofo ado wosi mu pan kopie mu e wo mahwebedwefie ne nyina ene se wo kwa akwakyere ye se no wo man no yete bia mo etie se no man no bebi a ye free bebi a ye dru ne bebi a ye de yeni etime ekyere na Ghana mampani na adodan kwakofo ado wo kasa no ena wo de atodwa se wo no eyo mampani ni NPP aban ma bom humodin papa eba no akwan yie ni yen wo man mu a ma bom humodin papa wo chom se o metimi eyi akwan eye 10,874 kilometers that say ekwan no edoso papa wo chom se inflation numpe no esen ya no mo inflation makon wotwe a wo mo betena aban kase yi emmo na no mo wode sansemi tu dwa pepepe impenifo hodo na na ba abonti be kase ye wo mampani wo ye pani opani ndi ntro se we die impenifo wo mo de sansemi ebre wo no wo mo anche wo mu yi na eye 10,000 kilometers of road that say at the surface here de kopim China na eye o my Ghana mu ye betimi afri ha akopim China na wo chom se enye no kwa ba bia rada se etimi ayi akwan 10,000 ni echira eko eye 11,000 wo mu chom se enye no kwa ba bia rada enam sampo mama shebedwani a wonom ejire mu dima adehia womo ewo adakro abatom peswa so eyononyem ni Govins Kwame Agboja wono edibetu dwa kire mampani ese so wotimi kire ye bebi pontin sa akwan ya wosi weyie no wotimi kire se miyiwa ha ende wono obeja ne dibredi atowo se mahwebedwini nanom ena Sam George a wono se mahwebedwini edima adehia omo ni ngo pram bato peswa so wono so edibia ba beswa so wo ka kire mampani se enemanim he ya wombe kire biaye pontin a wetimi eyi akwan 10,875 kilometers no womra na wombe kire enye sade a ehu behia se wo beja ne dibredi atowo se Ghana mampani yenkone yekohwe Sam George ne sema wode etudwa.
He has thrown a challenge. He has thrown a challenge to President Akufo-Addo. He says that if the president can show, and that's what Franklin Cudjoe said, Tolon is your constituency. They should give us the list of roads in your constituency and the mileage. We are challenging the ministry and the president to give us not this blanket 4,000 this, 1,000 this. Give us a list of the roads constructed and their mileage. Let them say in Tolon this is what they've done, in Ningo Pram this is what they've done, 275 constituencies, and then we will be able to see whether those roads are new roads or not. Kwame Agboja says if they are able to do that, he will resign as a member of parliament. If they are not able to do that, the president owes us an apology. He has thrown a challenge. He has thrown a challenge to President Akufo-Addo. He says that if the president can show, and that's what Franklin Cudjoe said, Tolon is your constituency. They should give us the list of roads in your constituency and the mileage. We are challenging the ministry and the president to give us not this blanket 4,000 this, 1,000 this. give us a list of the roads constructed and their mileage. Let them say in Tolon, this is what they've done. In Ningo Prampram, this is what they've done. 275 constituencies. And then we will be able to see whether those roads are new roads or not. Kwame Amboja says if they are able to do that, he will resign as a member of parliament. If they are not able to do that, the president owes us an apology. He has thrown a challenge. He has thrown a challenge to President Akufo-Addo. He says that if the president can show, and that's what Franklin Kudjo said.
Ningo Prampram ashibejeni ena hu yese wetimi akasano. Ye to ansem no so akonsem fufu Professor Frimpong Manso wono so edin sembi etudwa edanu kwase da de wo kenyina ene se de ekoso ewo yesi kasem hu ewo man Ghana mu no enya de a eye enye krokokokokra wo chiremu say sa wo hwe imprempren ya e kamia wo say amofo anabosa aban ya wote so no wona wo mu ni aban mu no wo mu mpese wo beboa no adwenkyere ni moa bia hodro bia wo se wo mutime de boa no se na be ya o man no betimi akọ nenim no obia de ne nsa de ahye ne debri femu e na wo hwe wo mu nyina eka wo mu nyane yenhwe wo si sa suban no enya de betimi aboa ye se wo man wo dan sansem nyina edi abra wo mu ye program bia wo mu de eto ho a wo mu hwe wona wo metimi aboa eye asori no eye Apostolic Church of Ghana asori no ma asori etimi ababe ya asori ene de wo mu de sada no de ato ho no ma wo mu e de celebrate wo mu ne no e na wo mu chiremu say ehu behia say wona wo mu ababe boa wo man no emre bi etwe mu ama wo man Ghana etimi ababe ye wo man no e wo say etimi celebrate wo mu e wo say yetimi di wo mu ye susu ebi hu e be ma Ghana etimi akonenima e wo say ye di wo mu nyina nka bom se na be ya wo man Ghana e betimi akonenim Professor Frimpong Manso ne sem wo de tudwa no eni.
Those who are there, rather than destroy and do backstabbing, it doesn't help national development. What is happening is not the best, and we all should do our best to promote cohesion and progress and unity. Those who are there, rather than destroy and
Professor Frimpong Manso na nrechi wopani awono eye dio kofareba ya wode eye Apostolic Church of Ghana wono so edi nenum sem to dwa chiremu se emre na so se wo se wona omo aboa ma wo man no wona omo aboa ma nsori no etimi ababegiran ne nanso no yentimi en celebrate wo mo no wo se sankrofo wo mo fa nche wo mo papa so wo mani grati wo mo gya wo di ato ho impen bebre na faith as faith die wo mo ni aba wo ho so wo hu se de ho behia se wo se wo mo timi celebrate wo mo ye to ansem no so akwakopie mo ewo nsem foforo mo na cha se ye ko ehumesuem na cha se kasamafo a wokasa edima osoafo wo no na hwe ehumesuem ho nsem so eye kwasi kwatin wono so ede nsem bia ba betudwa de wo kenyina ene se wo hye awofo ni wona wo mo hwe manyina bo ese afi impimie ni aduonu academic year yi de enya de a double track system no ebetimi aye adwuma ewo man mu biom na yenyina yenim se fiti se Ghana mampeni na nado dan Akufo-Addo wodi free SHS ebaye nkwale etimi ko bimpo so papapa ewo schools ahoduo mu ne senti no na kyese infrastructure yasoko adan e na afensi ne nkonwa ikwala ne betena so no na ehu akwakohia papapa ne senti no man no anapese ehumesua asoye no e na adwen se zatisadia ye bema ebi akọ na ebi atena fie wono mo wo school no wo so mo be fie a na wono mo wo fie no so wo mo so etimi akọ school mu ye say ye wo green and afensi ye wo gold for na enomo na amafo bebre awofo bebre na ekasa editia se enye ha adwen sabofra beko school mu wakwakosua ade mu awotwe makomako miensa pe no abefia ba betena se beye bosum miensa yade a ha adwen pepapa ma humesua no enkoye humesua ni ma bebre ewo mu a entimi enkoye awofo bebre nso ehwem se ebo omoka esanse se mofra no ebetena fie sa na wo mo ehwe se wo pe extra classes bi akyerɛkyerɛfo betimi akyerɛ omwade abra omo wo fie nti ebo omoka papa nti wo mo kyem se free ni mpo de wo mo hu ne se ye free sanse eka wo mo ebo no esinse wo mo etua school fees na numo ene wo pani kwasi kwatim wo de aba betu ja se awofo nyina monka mo akoma mfa ntum yim Enrada ena ye ma na wo mo ewie BCE anapose wo mo wie JHS wo mo twa mo BCE nsohwe no wo mo enrada ena wo mo hya ase a chese placement no replacement no obi biara ensa etimi aka suko a ochusu ye nenom ena wo mo hye mu say die sa double track ebi betene fie na ebi ebewo school mu no wo hya wofo nyina abo ese die emma so bi esanse abanya bone homodin eba no suko adan nkonwa nkwale betena so ne niema hodo ehia omo wo school mu ma ehumesua na de kire betimi akonkan no mfrisha be ye miensa ntampeni aban no wabone homodin papa ahwe se sa ne menyina no wo mo nsa ebetimi akan ti se die sa double track system no enya de a ebetimi abaso ebio Adeshima ma wani guso a wo hwe eye XTV anopa no nsia kase na me to nsem so dia me de ekwakopie mu ewo nsem foforo mo eda no eye mahyebedwafo ekwa asetena na wo mo ekwa asetena dia na chese edom kuma no wo mo de nsem bi etutwa na eye okujeto abrakwa wo no ene mahyebedweni edima adehye omo wo nokton abato mpesoa so wo de tutwa ekire mu se eye omampani na adodan kwakufu wado won famra ewo oman mu no won famra no mfa nye adwuma ewo mu se wono ankasa ansno babeye mampani wo bodero kase wono de wode mra na ye adwuma won pesesie won pani se nanso won mahunu se wo betena bedwa kase so mampani no won famra mfa nye adwuma aden na wo kyeremu se nipa dodo a wo mo eye adwuma wo mampani atena ye no bepem ne enya de Ghana mampani na nadodan kwakufado wetimi aba abonten aba mahyebedwefie aba be kyeremu se nipa se ena wo mo eye adwuma wo natena ye na wo kyeremu se amamra no ema ho kwan se wo mampani efa nkrofo wo natena ye eye adwuma wo se mahyebedwafo ehumu bi no mo hu nipa dodo a wo mo eye adwuma wo ho na so Ghana mampani wanye ne sa na bra okujeto abrakwa edi sasemi tu dwa pepepe de oda edom dodo na no ba no deni abediechiri eye openi Alexander Afenyoma ke se debi eye okujeto abrakwa wankasa yie na chese wokopie mu e mahyebedwefie de ne se ya ye we aka na we aka ye nkone kohwese na nsem no ekoso e mahyebedwefie.
Mr. Speaker, Section 11 of the Presidential Office Act relates to an annual report. The head note is annual report. And it provides, Mr. Speaker, with your permission, I read. The President shall, within 3 months after the end of each financial year, submit to Parliament an annual report containing the following information. A, the number of presidential staff employed at the office. B, the rank or grade of such staff. And C, employees in the other public services assigned to the office. So, Mr. Speaker, today is the 1st of April. The President is in clear breach of the Presidential Office Act. I recall that some 3 weeks ago, I raised this matter and urged the majority leader to liaise with the presidency to present this annual report and comply with the Presidential Office Act. Mr. Speaker, that has not been done. We still do not have the annual report on the staffing status at the presidency. And Mr. Speaker, we cannot accept this as a house. If these delays continue, it undermines the authority of this institution. And I recall that virtually every year, the President is in breach of this provision, and I have to be screaming and crying and yelling before the presidency will comply. Every year, the records are there. You can check. If you Google, it's all over. And you wonder why it has to take a lot of hue and cry to get the president who likes to project himself as the paragon of the rule of law to be violating the laws of our country in such a violent manner.
You made your point. Why, Mr. President, who projecting? I mean, I wouldn't want to repeat that, but it's unnecessary. Yes, it is unnecessary to do that, to say that, make the point. You cannot say that of the President of the Republic. You must be courteous in the language you use, and that I would insist. We as parliamentarians must know that.
So mashebe fie ene etwa hofoni ede amawo no ya to nsem no so akwakopie mu e wo nsem foforo mara ho sem asige e watoye mantemu enrada ye dikan abo ho amane dida eye galamze wona wo motu efomagudie yi aban ya na adwen se da bi da wo mpreso amma yanom etu efomagudie sense eseye nsuo eseye sase eseye nubaye intino wo mo ahye Operation Vanguard kra ebaye omo ebeye adwuma bebre na ukopie mu awatoye mantemu a twese bia ye frɛ ho eye esiama ehonom na womo echirem se womo eye Operation Vanguard fo ne asrafo bi ekɔkye nkrofo bi a womo susu se sa ganlamse adwuma yi enu bi na womo eye na asɛm yi ekopie mu ewo court ma court no etimemufo a ewo kronum no womo ekɔye abra womo frɛ court no womo ekɔye sanka womo kwa akɔtae womo nipa no echi ekɔwie echi na kyese etututu ema ne homre so abrante ba kwa wedi mfie eduasam yensa ani dindi Andrew Donko ekɔwie echi no kyese watro nanom ewonse do neno ena na busuafo echirem se die sini die ehu behia pa se womo pe justice ankasa womo pe se mra no enye adwuma die sini womo bo enje so na bra mahebedwani a wogirem di ma de hye womo wo elembele abaton peswa so eyo nyonyam ne Emmanuel ama kofibu a wono nso ekopie mu ewo honom ede ya konsem ede komo abusuafo na abra wokopie mu ena abusuafo no eye abrantie ni nuanom ne maame ne yire ne ma womo ekasa ye ekira ban ne se won hwe se wo bema mra no aye adwuma sanse asere ni a wotutuo na ekoka womo nuano no ka sa basabasa ye no hu bi eba ne sen ena mo tutuo ede eka no ye nkone hwehwe so na mo ka womo nsem
ni baby de o ni baby ti ono na hear me o onya sta mama na me baby hwe me ma na soja ni de mo munyano wo soja ni na taadie ini mikunda tu mikudi dio ati information ase ya me kwa district aba meti ase mikuwa wo soja ni de nyame shirano o ma ni ire duane ne ma mesla duane ndi soja ni nyame shirao ama uni soja ndi mame wai ini soja ni ndi mame yo masama yao abrageto mi nyini yo Daddy atume mi ubida radi bisuru
sese nesi mamu amina mene baby amina menyamo ndime pacho mamu ami ne binkane ma ne yere so weja wala ketwa ususha kwa wetu years mponya 1.5 mponya anza ba ko no 3 years ndime pamocho ndiyame pamocho mumwai abana otu e ka so si dan mame mene na yere no mene de bintana.
For the traumatized brother of the slain 33-year-old Andrew Donko, justice is all the family demands from the police and the state. But what I demand now is justice, because
abusuafo no ena wo ye ne yire ne maame ne nuanom ena wo motimi akasa no na enu echi mahebedwani a wokọ ho ansa na sansem nyina ekodedi eyo nuanyam ne Emmanuel ama kofibu a wono so ekasaye.
I apologize on behalf of the people of Telekobukazo, especially the young people who went to the police station to vandalize the station and cause damage. That's very regrettable. We have serious problems in this area, but we don't have a fight with the police. In fact, this is about the 4th death of a young person in connection with Adamus mining. And the person who shot on those 2 occasions, who shot these young people, are not police officers. It is the military attached to the Adamus mines. So the thought that young people will go and attack a police station is regrettable, and I think that the chief has stated it. But let me be very clear.
Enuechi ohimpoa wono so ewo krom ho eye nana afoko a woto so mienu wono so ekasaye
abaye dwuma more than 10 years ye no mate ahyaso no ye se yempene he na de bai nso aso de bai a mo ye dwuma no se de ehu se afi bi kakra na tuato we ka ho anipa bai 9 ana company no security fu no ama say ekun ye ba last one kra me na me di makoten amazesi ya no say ne ma attention e kofu na ka pese we anka ba ye last one na mai na ka so bia ba ne man se fo ne se we asan ka ba bio me tie mai ba sa me hu de me yam ho nti yesre company no omutie yasam e ka bia omutie do abai the license amount na wo nya social license na wa dina wo ye no wo nya ho to fa ye nti am se na mo iso ba yeso ade ka se de amada mu se and the Minerals Commission. Oh, dear, I'm probably no more friend, mammy. As I'm a friend, it will be a fitretia, and I will not even come ma. Timmy, I'm soon an amateur, my master, see amateur, and Macuma Damasam. What to what you do, Mukana, Marshal? Nanti, you could acquire a book to buy a banana. Timmy, I'm more. I mean to me, Tramicromas. It's okay, and then Bella, a funny, yeah, a mine high.
So ohimpoa wo honom no wono nso ene wakasa no enuachi imebru a wo honom no wo musanso friends entrofo nhyiemu ma de oda omano eye Clement Blay wono nso ekasa ya wodi nsemse edi etudwa.
We are calling on the president of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, to, as a matter of urgency and with immediate effect, we are appealing to him to set up a commission of inquiry. I repeat, a commission of inquiry. This is beyond the Ghana Police Service. I repeat, this is beyond the Ghana Police Service. We are asking of him to set up a commission of inquiry pursuant to Article 278 of the 1992 Constitution. President, we are invoking the 1992 Constitution. If you believe in it, work on that. To set up a commission of inquiry to investigate the killing of Andrew Zonko, the damages at the TMA police station, and the death of Michael Derry and all other brutalities and disputes between the company and communities surrounding the company, so that these communities and the company can exist in a peaceful manner or coexist in a peaceful manner, and to ensure that Elembele is continuously developed. We are calling on the president of Ghana.
Na dresse die koso ewo enkrofo aye esiama Elembele mensin nemo atoyamantemu ena wo hu yese wo motimi di wo manum sem ede atodwan dese ya rehosemo obi onam ne baabi etu akoka na watonanum ewo nse do a dese bushofo se wo mo pese atentrini etimi enye dwuma emfa ma wo mo menjira wo mo sem so ne na no pe kase amedebre wo sanopa no nsia kase no memfa wo face ase da kase enkofa ma wo se wonya brain adaje na wo hwe XTV anopa no nsia kase media se da kase edi ma DJYX wono ena wo twa me editum sanso ena law wono ewo MC aho abra eye Bismarck nso etan de chididindin na me twa me ho na me firi so pe agudie mu nsem jese de mu odan kasa de wo petie no wo pe ahwe no eno enye de ebro enyi we fide ni femfria obapa me bisa kosi ate eni me di me da se emamu eni hwe